Appendicular skeleton, upper limb anatomy. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's short anatomy class. We'll explore the appendicular skeleton, focusing on the upper limb anatomy, the bones that give us movement, strength, and precision. Pectoral girdle. The upper limb begins with the pectoral girdle, formed by the clavicle and scapula. The clavicle connects the arm to the trunk, while the scapula provides the socket for the humerus. Arm. The arm contains a single long bone, the humerus. Its head forms the shoulder joint, and its lower end connects to the radius and ulna at the elbow. Forearm. In the forearm, we have two bones, the radius and ulna. The radius is on the thumb side, and the ulna is on the little finger side. Together they allow rotation of the hand, called pronation and supination. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more anatomy in minutes.